guys, I'm back. Hi, my name is 555AJ. Well, welcome back, Jammers. Today I'm going to be doing another mail time, which my last one I named it mail time. It made a hashtag, but I meant to for it to be mail time number. I don't know, because I've completely lost track of how many mail times I've done. Sorry, my voice. But anyways, yeah, see, I love this cake right here, the 8th birthday cake with the ice cream and the cherries on top. So cute. I love it. Okay, so let's get right into the mail time. So I'm going to start at the very bottom because those are gifts that were sent first, and they've been sitting here for a long time. So first one's from page 516, said, "Please give back then." Gazelle horns, thank you. Jingle France sent me rare snowflake balloon. And again, I'm not going to say thank you for all of them, but I'm very appreciative of all gifts. So yeah. Also, stay tuned to the end after the mail time because I have an announcement to make. So stay to the end. From Scaff, I guess, sent me a rare big bow. Obey Toxie sent me crystal vanity. I love those done items. They're so pretty. 25JK07 said poop and sent me a square hedge. 1970 Dat Sun, which is my buddy, sent me dragonfly wings. Sorry. And Hera Cakes sent me rare ladybug hat. I'm getting a lot of rims. Oh. This is my sister. Hi, my name is 777. Dude, you have to give back. Which I did. Wow. Sorry. Sent me tiara. Thanks. Store-bought. And I have all of them. Well, actually, they might be gone, but I have all the colors. Anyways, Ice Cream Lollipop 45. So where do you get a spike? I want one. And I replied saying, well, some of them were in the diamond shop, but they're not now. Spectator. Jacob Puppy 123. Here's a gift from Cupcake Boy. Aw, thank you. I like those. And another one of my buddies, JLee303, said, "Sorry for the bad gift. I'm bad at this." It's okay. I'm appreciative of all gifts. And that's not a bad gift. That's a rim. Thank you. Kit Kat Bun 1. I like that username, Kit Kat Bun 1. Kit Kat Bun 1. Yeah. Okay, sorry. Sent me Diamond Crushing Gauntlet. Those look so cool. Like when you open it, it's like bling. Thank you. Kaylee W4 sent me. Oh, that's a promo. Friendship lamp. We are friends. I think we're buddies. We might be. No, we're not. Let's be buddies. Oh. Well, never mind then. Icy Slushies said close eyes. Okay, I have my eyes closed. Click. I'm opening in 3, 2, 1. Yay! Thank you! That's the best gift of my mail time. Which, yeah, I know to some people, or most people, that's not a lot at all, but to me, a clothing beta is a lot. So I have a list here of mail time shoutouts. I'm gonna collect, like, username shoutouts, like a clothing beta or more, and I'm going to put their username down in one video. I'm just going to have a shout out video. So, thank you so much for the bow and arrow. I'm going to put you on the shout out list. Okay, so I'm back, and I added them to the shout out list. So next, PuppyGo7, my buddy. They're non-member. Oh my gosh. And they might have quit too. Anyways, they sent a necklace. Great. Next one is from Schnuckums, I guess. So here you go. Spring Foreground. Those are really pretty. I like those. I have one of them. I'm going to open up these two more gifts. I'm going to start at the top and open some. Cupcake 13 said thanks for helping me. Not sure what I helped you with, but you're welcome. So, Pink Socks. Last gift from the bottom sent me Elf Tail Armor. Wish it was beta. So now, actually I'm going to just open one from the random. Because I have my eyes closed. Click. Oh. And click. Oh. Pinkie Pie 13244 AJ1. That's a hard username to say. Sent me custom spike collar. Thank you. Just gonna do one more random. Click. Click. My eyes closed. Click. Fluffy Rabbit 16 sent me elf bracelets. And one more random. Haruchan 33. I have no idea how to say that, sorry. LOLJK. They sent me rare spider mask. So now I'm going to go to the top. And this gift's from Flattershy67. There you go, as I said. Rare Jamaladay Winter Hood. And Sewing 51 sent me Pearl Bracelet. Rockabilly Kitty. Rockabilly Kitty. Yeah, I got a gift from Rockabilly. Sorry, I'm just partying right here. Rockabilly Kitty sent me crossbow. No! Well, anyways, guys, I got a gift from Rockabilly Kitty. I'm so happy. Next one's from CocoCat66053. And they sent me. Now I'm really partying. Woo! Thank you so much, Coco. Oh my gosh. Spike! Oh, thank you so much. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Gotta add them to the shout out list, definitely. So added them to the shout out list. Thank you so much. Gotta send them something back. Thank you so much for the bond wristband. Yay! Let's see, I can send them. I'll send you a feathered mask. I think that's considered a clothing beta. I don't know, if not, it's so good. So thanks for the wristband. No! Why is no one accepting jamograms? Well, so we're going to open up these next 4 gifts, then that'll be all for this mail time. So, Bats Are Bat sent me 2 spikes in a row! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! This has never happened to me. Usually I never get any spikes. Now I've got... I've gotten Thank you so much for the Rare Spike wristband. I'm going to add you to the shout-out list. So I added them to the shout-out list. Thank you so much. And so the next one's from another one from Pinkie Pie 13244AJ1. They sent me. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Why am I getting so much good stuff? Well, thank you so much for the Rare Bone Arrows, Clothing Vader. I'm going to add you to the shout-out list. Okay, added them to the shout-out list. Thank you so much. So, I think it was these two. Yeah, these two last gifts from Wolfie Artsy. Said, sure. Oh, yeah, we were having a gifting war. Oh, thanks for the rare spiked collar. And another last gift of the mail time. Wolfie Artsy sent me rare polka dot tuxedo. Thank you so much. Oh, these will be my next ones from my sister. Hi, my name is 666. Wait. Hi, my name is 6666. 4 sixes. 2 gifts from her. Another one from Pinkie Pie. So, that's the end of the mail time. Now I have an announcement. So please watch. So, what this says here. Make sure I have a video I posted probably a week or two ago, like a week ago. It's a rare spike giveaway I'm hosting. It's open right now. It's ending when I get 155 subscribers. So make sure to go enter that. Hurry, because I have 116 subscribers right now. So yeah. Just go there, read the rules, watch the video. They follow the rules, and yeah. So that was the announcement. Here, I'll just do it one more time. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe and like. And comment down in the chat what videos you want me to do or live streams like that. I need some ideas. So yeah, please comment what videos you want me to do, like video ideas or live stream ideas or whatever. So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.